Hi, Elena here again. Just like to recap about our mind-body symmetry series. So our mind-body symmetry series is all about the movement of energy. So we'll be moving energy to shift holding patterns of stress, tension, i.e. the storage of negative emotions held in our cellular memory that have caused tightness or blocks in the physical body, to diffuse and release the build-up and activation of our stress-based energies held by neurological trigger points in the body. Our express and release techniques have been specifically designed to decharge and neutralize these adrenaline-based energies for release out of the mind and body. So we'll be moving energy to assist in the opening of neural pathways to accommodate the continuous increased flow of vital energy through their nervous system, to balance and realign our mental, emotional and physical bodies, and also to provide comfort and relaxation for sustained well-being and also enhanced awareness, to restore our mind and body into a state of equilibrium and receptivity. This will support us to activate our DNA, to gradually uptake the energies of love and bliss, and to heighten our sensory perception for sheer joy. As we systematically release stress out of our mind and body, we can experience consistent levels of clarity and contentment, bringing ease and flow into our lives. Releasing stress engenders a pain-free mind and body at any age. So our formula combining dance, music, specific body movements, deep relaxation and meditation uplift our spirit. We use animated symbols that can also evoke our inner knowledge and creativity. A state of inner peace and tranquility brings a deep appreciation and love of self and all of life. We can take time to smell the roses and enjoy the bird song. The sweetness of us is then reflected into our world. Bliss is a healthy mind and body. Thank you.
Visit our website shiftingparadigm.com.au